Hi viewers, today's topic is about trigonometry. So first, what do you mean by trigonometry? Tri means 3, gon means sides and metron means measure. So tri 3, gon means sides, metro means measures. So measuring the three sides of a triangle. So in a triangle means we have three sides. So measuring the three sides of a triangle is called as trigonometry. This trigonometry is useful for scientists, engineers, architects, surveyors, for them and all. And in the future, I'll say in what are the possible ways where they are using trigonometry. So now we are going to see about angle. What do you mean by angle? So the two rays meet at a point called as the initial side, and this is called as the terminal side. So what do you mean by angle? Means the measure of rotation of the ray about its initial point. So this ray, how much it has been rotated, that is called as the angle. So based on the angles and the sides of a triangle, we are going to make the trigonometric ratio. So what is trigonometric ratio? Ratios of the sides of a right angled triangle with respect to its acute angle is called as trigonometric ratios. Now we'll have this A as an acute angle. As we all know, this is acute angle, that is less than 90 degree, and this is 90 degree. The side opposite to the 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. And with respect to this acute angle, AB is called as adjacent side and BC is called as opposite side. So this BC is opposite to angle A and AB is adjacent to angle A, and the side which is opposite to 90 degree is called as hypotenuse. So here we have 6 trigonometric ratios. So what are those and how to write in respect with the sides? So first is sine A. So what is sine A means? Opposite side by hypotenuse, that is sine A. So what is opposite side of sine A? That is BC by hypotenuse is AC. And the reciprocal, next, what is cosecant? The reciprocal of sine A, that is hypotenuse by opposite, that is AC by BC. Next is cosine. What is cosine? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So what is adjacent? AB by hypotenuse is AC. The reciprocal of cosine is secant. So what is secant A? Hypotenuse by adjacent. So what is hypotenuse? AC by adjacent AB. Next, tangent. What is tangent? That is nothing but sine A by cos A. Cos is cosine. Short form of cosine is cos. And short form of tangent is tan. We say it as tan A. So what is tan A? Sine by cos. That is opposite by hypotenuse divided by adjacent by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse and hypotenuse get cancelled. So opposite by adjacent, that is BC by AB. And cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, that is adjacent by opposite, that is AB by BC. We say it as cot A. So again I'll say the trigonometric ratios. First one is sine, that is opposite by hypotenuse. Next, the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, so hypotenuse by opposite. Next, cosine, adjacent by hypotenuse. The reciprocal of cosine is secant, hypotenuse by adjacent. Tan is sine by cos, that is opposite by adjacent. Cot A is adjacent by opposite, that is reciprocal of tan. Trigonometric ratios will be getting sums. So here in this question given is sine theta 12 by 13. So we'll take the C as theta and this is opposite of theta, and this is adjacent to theta, and this is hypotenuse. So what is sine theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. So AB is 12 and AC is 13. This is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, we need to find the third side. So as we all know, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Let this adjacent be x. So this is a Pythagoras theorem. The square on the hypotenuse, that is 13 square, equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. So 12 square plus x square. So what is 13 square? 169. 12 square 144 plus x square. So we'll have x square here. So 169 minus 144, that is 25, equal to x square. X is equal to root 25. So plus or minus 5. Here we'll have the value as plus 5. So the adjacent is plus 5. With this, we'll make all the other ratios. So what is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 5 by 13. Tan theta, opposite by adjacent, that is 12 by 5. Cosecant theta, that is hypotenuse by opposite, is equal to 13 by 12. Secant theta, hypotenuse by adjacent, that is 13 by 5. And cot theta, adjacent by opposite, that is 5 by 12. So if any one ratio is given based on by Pythagoras theorem, we need to find the other side, and we can find all the other remaining ratios with the help of the formula. So cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent, cosecant hypotenuse by opposite, secant hypotenuse by adjacent, cot adjacent by opposite. I think this video will be useful for you and it is clear. Just a recap of today's topic, and if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. So in the next upcoming video, we'll be learning about the values of each trigonometric angles. Thank you, viewers.